This video will demonstrate how to use My Experience to set your default view and your role in PowerChart. Within the PowerChart application, you have the opportunity to choose which homepage the system lands on when opening, plus the role required at that time. Clicking the View button in the grey Organizer toolbar and selecting My Experience allows you to do this. Down the left of the screen, you will see the different homepages available. Some of the main options are Home. This is the outpatient side of the system. Doctor's Work List. This is used by doctors and consultants to view their ward lists. Perioperative Tracking. This is used by any clinical staff who need access to theatre lists. On the right of the screen, you will see the many roles available, and the choices will vary from a nurse's account to a doctor's account. At the bottom of the screen, you will see Save. You will then need to log out of PowerChart and back in for the change to be made. Thank you for watching this e-learning video. Further Millennium EPR videos are available on our YouTube channel, ELHT Cerner Millennium EPR e-learning videos.